Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve for integers a and b in the following given radical equation. We have square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of at. Is that possible? Two different variables in one single equation. This equation is called the Diophantine equation, right? So let's see how we're going to solve this problem. Now here we have the square root of a is equal to square root of at minus square root of b. Right? And here we have square root of a is equal to square root of 80 is same as square root of 16 multiplied by 5 minus square root of b. Here we have square root of a is equal to, this will be 4 root 5 minus square root of b. Now square both sides. So this one square cancels square root. We have a is equal to this one here squared, it will give us 80, plus this one here squared, it will give us b, minus 2 times this, that will give us 8, right? 8 square root of 5 times b, right? So now, you know, if you make b the subject as well, you will still have a corresponding equation as 80 plus a minus 8 times square root of 5a, right? So multiply by a. Okay, so here now for us to remember that a and b are integers, and this one here 5b must be a perfect square and 5a must be a perfect square. So but how do we make them perfect squares? So for this 5b to be a perfect square, we're going to let b equals 5x squared, right? Where x is a natural number, and a is going to be 5y squared. Then from the original equation, square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of 8, which is 4 root 5. So we can plug in the values for a and b in terms of x and y. So this will be square root of 5x squared for b, right? So sorry, for b first, then plus for square root of a we get square root of 5y squared. So this is equal to 4 root of 5. So x squared, the square root is x, then times square root of 5, right? Then plus here we get y square root of 5. This is equal to 4 root of 5. Factor out square root of 5 from the left hand side, and we're left with x plus y. So this is equal to 4 times square root of 5. So this and this would cancel. And here we have the equation x plus y is equal to 4, which can easily solve for integers x and y, right? So we get x, y for this part here will be equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, and then 2, 2. Right? Cool. Okay, so now let us recall that b is equal to 5x squared and a is equal to 5y squared. So when you plug in these values for x and y, then we get the following solutions for a and b. This will be equal to, so we have 5, 45. We have 45, 5. And finally, we have 20, 20. And here we have the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.